Hi, this is Vishan Borich from Team Tough, also known as the Tough Mama, and today I'm with you with an interesting video series. This is video 1 in a series of 9 videos that I'm going to do on a very interesting topic. Are you ready for this? Do you have control over your reality, or do the things in life have control over you? In other words, does reality come to you, or do you shape your own reality? I think that that's a big one. I think a lot of people think, things just happen to them and that it's not possible to actually change that reality. And then there's another camp of folks that believe that you have control over your own reality and that you actually can tap into an energy source in order to make your life what you want it to be. So here's how we're going to do this. This is the first video. I'm going to do 9 videos, and each one is going to be an experiment on how to basically test and see if reality is something that is malleable and you can adjust, or if it's something that happens to you. So are you ready for experiment 1? All right, we'll roll the clip and then we'll go to experiment 1. Experiment 1. Is there a supreme being or energy source that you can tap into at any moment in time and shape your own reality? That's a pretty big one, isn't it? And it doesn't matter if you actually are a Christian or you are Muslim or Hindu or whatever, or maybe you don't even believe in religion at all. This is an experiment that doesn't matter what your spirituality is based on. What we're going to do is we're going to actually use the hypothesis, is there a supreme being? Okay, that's your hypothesis. The second thing is we're going to actually have a set experiment that we're going to do, and we're going to have a date. We're going to make that date very tight. So right now I want you to write down the time and the date that you're watching this, because that's your start date. Because 48 hours from now you're going to do this experiment. It doesn't require any money, does not require much time, but you're going to partake in this experiment with me, and let's see what happens. So here's the experiment. Basically what you're going to do after you've written down today's date and time, you are going to say out loud that you believe that there is a higher power or supreme being that is out there that you can tap into. And in order to get proof that this exists, that higher power or energy source has 48 hours to show you through an unmistakable gift or blessing. Okay, so something will happen in the next 48 hours that proves unmistakably that there is some type of supreme source that you can tap into. And you will write down anything that happens to you in the next 2 days, in the next 48 hours, that is unmistakable that there is some kind of supreme source, because a gift or blessing will be provided to you. Okay, so it sounds really interesting. I'm actually in the process of doing this experiment. I started yesterday, and I look forward to sharing the results, true or false. Let's see what happens together. All right, see you on the next video.